Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this stylish bustier blouse. A stylish bustier blouse. You'll be needing your fabric, your paper, your tape rule, your scissors, and your tailor's chalk. Fold your paper into two. Draft a basic bodice. Connect armhole darts as seen here. Transfer darts to the other side and connect the side style line as seen here. Connect the second style line as seen here. Mark 3 inches by 3 inches for the neckline. Cut it out. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.